What'd you get?
Extra mango fruit, dragon something.
Extra dragon fruit.
Oh man. Today is officially move-in day on the shop. We have a couple things in the trailer, so the trailer's kind of acting as a storage unit right now. So what we got to do is we got to get the stuff out of the trailer and then go get all the tools. How's it look?
Really didn't do anything.
Nothing. We got one problem.
Yeah, it's this. What? What do you do with these? They're huge.
Alright guys, so what we have to do is my tools and my stuff from our old shop are literally like scattered everywhere. Some at my dad's house, some at the old garage where we're currently working, and some at some friend's house, a friend of a friend. So basically what we got to do is that we got to go gather all the tools. So we're going to stop at my dad's first, then we're going to go to the garage, see if we can deal with that for today, and then try to round up everything else, you know, down the road. Let's go. All right, so we made it out of here with a big power strip. Now we got a bunch of stuff in the trailer. Now we're headed to the garage to get my toolbox and then the remainder of kind of the good stuff. Look, I was just talking about us hunting down parts and tools, and one of the guys that was borrowing the press dropped her off right in the front. All right, so we got to load up Merle. We got to load up the lift.
You're crazy.
All right, so after more complaints and curse words, what are you doing? We got the toolbox going. We're leaving the tires, leaving the wheels, leaving this toolbox for now. We're not taking the press today. Press is staying. Got the compressor that was right there. Rusty Red's gonna remain here for now. So we're gonna go get that first load in. Oh yeah, Merle's staying here also. We're gonna go unload the first deal and then come back and get the rest of this stuff. We gonna get your pull aid delivered?
Delivered.
All right, so you guys wanna see in here? See if anything fell. Wow, nothing fell. Random cart with random stuff. We got our stool and table. Toolbox. The toolbox is good. It didn't fall over. Wonder if anything hit into it. Nope. We're clear. The box made it unscathed. It's pretty much a trailer full of crap. Alrighty. It basically looks like we just put a few pieces of junk things in here. All right, guys, what the heck is up? It has been a couple days for me, but like 2 seconds for you guys. So what the heck you see behind me is what we've been working on. So I was gonna wait to do the whole finished shop thing with the lights and the paint, the whole process. But honestly, we've been in here and we've already done a job in here. So I figured it's time to do the officially move into the shop video. The stuff you've seen in the first half of this video was a couple days ago. We have done one job in here since then, and then we've obviously painted the wall. That's pretty much it. Oh, and we hung a couple lights. So we haven't like fully got the shop finished, but it's done enough where it's pretty sick. And what do you guys think of this lighting? This lighting is pretty epic, and we don't even have half of them up yet. So real quick, no plug. This is the lighting that we went with. So you go on Amazon, right? Type in like LED shop lighting. So I decided to go with the Sunco shop light 6000K. So it's like the daylight deluxe where it's supposed to be super bright and white and all that stuff. And it was like 189 bucks for 10. Now that's a pretty smoking deal if you ask me. So we left this one. You can't really tell on camera, but this is an old light right there, and then that is an old light. So that's why it looks like out of whack. Because what we actually did was we staggered them. So you can see how it starts down there, and then it staggers to this one, and it staggers to this one, and then all the way to this one. This is still a old light that was remaining, and then this is a new one here. So we have them staggered coming down. Because the way the garage is set up with these bays here, you know, we're mainly going to be working on trucks in here, and trucks aren't going to fit, you know, pull in these bays, and they're not really going to fit there to work on. The car would, the Supra 100% would, Merle would, probably Rusty Red would, but the majority of like the work we're going to do in here is like bigger trucks. So what we got to do is we got to pull in this bay, and then we got to pull, you know, parallel with the car, just how the car is. After doing that first job in here, I'm definitely going to put a bigger door in right there. That door is just too low. I just drove in with the car, it was fine. But we need at least like a 10-foot door back there. So definitely on the hunt for a 10-foot door. And then that way we could just, you know, pull straight in, straight through here. The workflow would just be, you know, way better. All right, so update real quick what we did. Gloss white on the upper half of the wall. Well, it's not gloss, semi-gloss. And then battleship gray here. I'm gonna do a colored line. I don't know if it's gonna be flat black. I bought flat black to do the colored line right here. But I might do like red or blue or something. I don't know. What do you guys think for the color of the strip that'll go over the seam between the white and the gray? I don't know yet. Still up in the air. But other than the paint and then the few lights that we hung, you know, we're in. When we were moved in, office is still just chilling. We'll get to that down the road. Don't know yet what I'm gonna do with this whole foam wall situation here. It's probably gonna stay like that for just a little bit. So yeah, the shop's kind of a wreck right now, but I wanted to get this video finished because we've been in here and I wanted to do that official, you know, shop move-in video. Probably do 10 lights over here, which it's gonna be like bright, man. It's gonna be super bright over here. Movie set in there. So I don't think we're gonna have any issues with those lights. Hopefully they last. They're not like a piece of junk. Oh yeah, we got a boat. Stay tuned for the boat video. That's gonna be a fun one. And also I have a bunch more crap that I gotta go hunt down. This was only one load with the box trailer, so it's just like the main stuff, like the jack stands and toolboxes, some power tools, batteries and stuff like that. So we're in, and I'm probably gonna like, you know, do a couple more things in here, like work-wise with vehicles, and then like get a good feel of the place and see if I wanna change the layout, because the box is just hanging out over there in a random spot. Jack stands are in a random spot. So everything's kind of just sitting a little weird right now, but we'll get in here, get a couple more jobs done, and we will figure out what will be the best layout.
Hey man, am I driving okay?
We let the smoke clear out of here. I always wanted to do a burnout in my own garage. I don't know why. Fail here, fail, fail. Good one down there. But all right, guys, hit the subscribe button and join the family. We have an amazing, fun, new journey ahead of us. I think this is the first video with the new channel name. New shop, new business, new companies, a whole new journey. So, and I'm actually really excited to bring you guys with me. All right, so that's it. If you guys made it this far, you are freaking awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. As always, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.